Hello there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video, we are working on the how to update this category title with AJAX. So I'm coming back to my text editor and a script tag. Okay. So first of all, I just put the semicolon at here. Okay, and I already defined this update category. So I copy this, and again, when you click on this, indeed, okay, update category. So dollar as create a selector dot when I click on the update category, it's again run a function. It's shows alert and just type okay. Now let's see, refresh and click on the edit. Okay, there is something is wrong. Okay, sorry, dot. Okay, and refresh and click on the edit and click on the save changes. It shows okay method. Now our first thing is to call the AJAX. So again I copy the whole thing and just change the method name. Just type update underscore post underscore category, and I copy this and paste it after this method. I create a new function, public function. Yeah, and dollar underscore post. Okay, debug print this message, print underscore r. I always prefer when you working on the AJAX, firstly you check the dollar underscore post into by using the print underscore r method. It's a very useful tool for us, and it's a PHP very beautiful function for that. And also we need to define the input ID. Yeah, here you go. I just copy this ID and I store the value of this input field in a value. So dollar cat underscore title equal to, I create a selector of that ID this and dot value, and I pass okay dollar. You can also use the var and it's a JavaScript. So I type the title colon cat underscore title, and I click okay, first of all I just comment this for right now and check into the browser again and open my console log and go to the network tab. Yeah, and I refresh this and clear this. Now click on the edit, it's filled, and latest news edited. Now click on the save change. It's called the update postcard method, and here is the title. But also we need ID for update. So in the model and in the footer of that model, also I take a hidden input field. So input type is hidden, and I set the value of ID. So Okay, I just id equal to fetched fetched underscore cat underscore id, and I copy this id, and I'm coming back to my edit category function where I fetch that all the things. And when you get succeed, okay, I forget to mention this. I just cut this and fit into the success message, and also I copy this and I copy this fetched cat underscore id, and I just change the type is and the name, the post underscore category underscore id. Let's see again. Click on the edit. Sorry, click on the lifestyle edit and check the value of this. Yeah, here is the value of value is fetched category underscore id, and the value is 2. Yeah. Now I also copy this. Well, and I take a variable and the cat underscore id equal to this, and I pass cat underscore id colon cat id, and I refresh it, and I'm going to the network tab. I clear this and click on the edit lifestyle, and I write lifestyle updated. Click on the save button, check. As you can see, lifestyle updated, and the cat ID is also is printed at there into our controller. Now I'm going to the my admin controller, and I remove this and take dollar data equal to, and I store them. And what is this? Okay, here is post underscore category underscore title. So post underscore category underscore title arrow dollar this input post, and method name method, sorry, there is the title data is title only, and that's it. And again I just call the update method into a controller or make it fast. So dollar this db where post underscore post underscore category underscore id comma, I just copy the whole thing and paste it here. And what is the data type of data of id is cat underscore id. Update, and I put the table name is post category, and pass the dollar data variable will define the attributes and value key, will define the value and keys. And if it succeed, okay, I put it into a variable, so dollar query update underscore query. Okay, that's fine. If is it success, if is it true, then it should be written echo, okay, json underscore encode, okay, sorry, dollar a equal to and I pass the status. Updated or just so 200, and also pass the message. Post category updated successfully. Else either else is 203 updation failed. Okay, just failed. Okay, yeah, that's enough. And after that, I just echo this into a JSON encode. I encoded this into a JSON format, and let's see. Okay, also let's check, refresh and click on the edit. Latest news updated. Click on the save button. Post underscore title. Okay, hyphen title. Okay, that's my mistake. Now click again, clear this and click again. Yeah, post category updated successfully. Now check into the database too. Yeah, as you can see, latest news updated, but our slug is not updated, so how can we define it? I'm just going to my save category, and I copy this line. Sorry, I just copied this line and come back to my update post category and comma, and here is our title only. That's so I type the title only. Now if I get the success message, so I'm coming back to my all post view page. So if you got succeed, so I also copy this and paste it here and comment this, and that should be hide, and the cat title is also is blank. Okay, and yeah, response status will be 200 only. And also I pass the variable. Okay, let's check, refresh, and again edit updated slug and click on the save. It's gone, and when you check in the database, latest news update with slug, and it's also fetched that here. Now we need to auto refresh, so if I get a refresh, so I'm going to the table. Here is our table. So, and okay, I have the table, so I just take another span class, span dot load table. I just cut this. Okay, and yeah, that's cool. Okay, Okay, and I'm going back down and just take a simple refresh load. So dollar. Okay, what was that? Okay, it's a load. So load table. So let's take the selector dot its in class load and load, and I just take the current URL. So I take the current underscore URL, whatever is this. Okay, and dot again I copy this okay, dot load table. Okay, now check in the browser again, refresh. Now again I click on the lifestyle has been updated. Just for check, click on the save. It's gone. Okay, it's not working properly. So okay, it's and that's my mistake. Okay, again I remove this all things, lifestyle new, and click on the save. There is nothing to change. Why? Okay, sorry, I forget this. We don't need it here. It's that's my big mistake. It's working it here. So and again I refresh this and I click on the edit and I remove these things. Let it start add new and click on the save, and it's lifestyle again. And I click on this, it is software industry, and now it's working fine. So I hope you can understand how can we update, delete, and this. Now we need to work on the delete button. We can also work delete category into the next video. Okay, so into soon for delete disk post category, and stay with me. Happy coding.